When agents in your call center are on live calls, the Supervisor Dashboard gives you powerful tools to listen in, coach, or join the conversation. These are Whisper and Barge, two features designed for real-time call supervision. You'll also find controls to pause agents, log them out, or manage their queue status remotely. Let's walk through each one. Whisper lets you listen to a live call and speak directly to the agent without the caller hearing you. When you click the W button next to an agent who's on a call, your soft phone dials a special feature code that connects you to the audio bridge. You hear both the caller and the agent, but only the agent hears your voice. This is perfect for real-time coaching. You can guide a new agent through a tricky billing question or remind them about a compliance requirement, and the caller never knows you're there. Barge takes it a step further. When you click the B button, you join the call as a full participant. Both the caller and the agent can hear you. This is designed for escalation scenarios, when a call needs a manager's authority to resolve an issue, or when a customer asks to speak with a supervisor. You don't need to transfer the call. Just click Barge, and you're in the conversation immediately, ready to help. Beyond call monitoring, the Actions column gives you direct control over each agent's queue status. The Pause button lets you put an agent on pause remotely. A drop-down appears where you select a reason like break, lunch, or meeting. The Logout button removes the agent from all queues entirely, and if an agent is logged out, you'll see a Login button to bring them back. These controls work in real time, so changes take effect immediately across the system. The most powerful way to use Whisper is to combine it with Cloudspire Assist. When an agent is on a live call, Assist provides an AI-powered live transcript and coaching prompts on the agent's screen. As a supervisor, you can open Whisper to listen in, watch the same transcript the agent sees, and then whisper targeted guidance based on what the AI is surfacing. This gives you a complete coaching workflow: real-time transcript, AI-driven prompts, and a private audio channel to the agent, all without the caller knowing. That's Whisper, Barge, and the Supervisor Action controls. Whisper lets you coach privately. Only the agent hears you. Barge lets you join the call when a situation needs your direct involvement. And the Pause and Logout buttons give you remote control over agent availability. Combined with Cloudspire Assist's live transcript and AI coaching, you have everything you need to support your team in real time. For more how-to videos, visit the video tutorials section in the documentation.